Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Keynote for iPad in 2025. If you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves creating polished presentations, this updated version of Keynote is a game changer with its new AI features and seamless interface. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest Keynote app on your iPad. Head to the App Store, search for Keynote, and download it. It's free for Apple users. Once installed, open the app, and you'll see a sleek home screen with options to create a new presentation or open an existing one. To start fresh, tap the plus icon and select a theme. In 2025, Keynote introduces AI-generated themes that suggest designs based on your input, like professional vibes for business or vibrant ones for school projects. It's super intuitive. Now, let's build your presentation. Use the slide navigator on the left to add new slides. Just tap the plus button. You can easily add text, images, charts, and even animations. With the new 2025 updates, the AI assistant can auto-suggest layouts or rearrange elements for better flow, saving you tons of time. Editing is a breeze too. Grab your Apple Pencil for precise drawings or annotations, and use multi-touch gestures to zoom in or move objects around. Don't forget the collaboration tools. Invite others to edit in real time via iCloud, perfect for team projects. Once you're done, sharing is simple. Hit the share button in the top right, and you can export as a PDF, send via email, or even present wirelessly to a screen. Pro tip: use the new AI Polish feature to refine your slides before sharing. It checks for readability and suggests improvements. There you have it. Keynote for iPad in 2025 is all about efficiency and creativity. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.